Hi there, this is Marissa Loren from DigitalScrapbook.com, and today I have a video for you of setting up a pocket page on my iPad. So I was just here at DigitalScrapbook.com downloading my template, and now I'm at Google Photos downloading my photos. And here I'm going to search for a particular pocket card that I use every week. And so I kind of do the same thing every Saturday. I sit down and I download my photos from the week, and I get the template, that pocket template that I use, and then I use this same weekly card here. So I'm going to go ahead and download that as well. And now I am going to open up the template here in Photoshop on iPad. So often I do this on my computer, but I've been traveling a lot lately, and so I just thought I would go ahead and see how it worked here on my iPad. And so I'm just sticking in that pocket card. That pocket card can be edited to have like the actual date and week. I just haven't done that yet. So now I'm going to go ahead and stick in my photos, and I'm just going to bring them in here, clip them to the black part of the frame. And I'm going to keep doing that until I have brought in all of my photos. So I will leave you here for today. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Have a great day.